This is my story. It was a very conventional upbringing. It was all about getting an education, becoming financially independent, find a profession, and get married. I started with the hospitality industry. It taught me a lot. That was my first professional identity. While I was going through that, I was feeling quite burnt out and I wanted to do something different. But I didn't know what I wanted to do with myself. And I just went in for a clay sculpting short weekend workshop thing. And I knew this is what I wanted to do. But that time it was just a hobby, which became a passion. So this was my first exhibition of ceramic sculptures in India Habitat Center, which was actually the true beginning of my second act. And I took any and every opportunity while running my business to learn more and more. I'm very happy with my decision of doing what I'm doing now. That makes me very happy.